Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you. It's August 31st, and it's time for our chart of the week. And we're going to revisit an old friend of ours, but we're looking for it to go a different direction from the last time we profiled it. So last year we had a couple of trades on Alibaba Group in the fall and early winter of 2014, right after it had gone public, and we had made some really nice trades on this thing. But now it looks like it's heading on down to Chinatown here, based on the chart and the technicals. We'll go ahead and mark this chart up as we go along. So basically, what we have here, we have this stock having reached a nice little peak here in the middle of spring from May, and we can see that trend line is defined right over here, and we actually have a nice little channel here, and it broke out of that channel just about a week and a half ago. Once it broke that $72, $73 area, and of course here's the last Monday's move all the way down into the 50s, low 60s, upper 50s from the flash crash move on Monday, and then we tried to rally back up into that downtrend line and the upper end of the bottom end of the channel, and we couldn't quite get there. And today, Monday, we had a vicious sell-off here. We closed at almost to that same level as we did last Monday, about $66 and change on some pretty strong volume as well too. All of the technicals are negative. We can see the MACD right over here is quite negative over here. The Williams percent R tried to get above 50, all right, and it just rolled over today. Looks like it's going to be heading on down. The relative strength is absolutely dreadful. And if we get past under 30 over here, we're going to be definitely testing this low from Monday in the upper 50s. One thing also to note about Alibaba is it has a lockup release at its 1-year anniversary. The stock first went public on September 19th of 2014. There's a 1.6 billion share lockup release, which equates to almost $100 billion. This is the biggest lockup release I've ever seen. And it means that owners can start selling the stock. From what I've been hearing is many of these people are long-term holders and not going to sell the stock. I don't particularly happen to agree with that, but we'll have to see what happens. I do think that a lot of the selling pressure that's going on is due to the fact that China's economy is weakening, but also due to the fact that this lockup release is coming up pretty close in about 3 weeks. We'll see what happens, but there's certainly nothing bullish to talk about with Alibaba Group, and I would say that it probably looks like it's going to be heading into the mid to low 50s before too long. Play this one to the downside if you have a chance. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.